subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi's sub-brand Poco has launched its new smartphone under X6 lineup in India called Poco X6 Neo, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco X6 Neo 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. It has a large 93.3% screen-to-body ratio, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco X6 Neo 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with MIUI 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features inside-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.11 by 74.95 by 7.69mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco X6 Neo 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 18th, in Astral Black, Horizon Blue, and Martian Orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco X6 Neo 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.